Hey, what's up? I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I want to share with you guys about the time a client took me to court. All right, now, where do I start this? I used to date this girl, but at the time she contacted me, we were no longer dating, we were just friends. And she contacted me to do a birthday party for her mother. It was a surprise birthday party for her mother. About 2 hours away. And I told her I'd do it. They paid me. Did they pay me up front? Paid me up front, I believe. And I rode there with my pastor wife, and another person. So me and the other person, we did the drive and we drove all the way there and stuff. And so it was a small venue. It wasn't that big. So I'm the type of person, like, if you pay me to cover an event, I don't sit down. Even that means even if I gotta keep on snapping, even though I know I'm not gonna use all these photos, and I'm not gonna give you all these photos because it's gonna be a lot of the same stuff. But I'm not the type to go to an event and sit down. So I just keep on snapping. I move around. I work the event, move around, take pictures of the stuff, take pictures of everything. My friend, her sister paid me through her. Got that? All right. Now, the girl that paid me, she had a friend that showed up at the party to surprise her. It was the mother's birthday party, but my friend, sister, had a friend, got that, who showed up at the party to surprise her. All right. And when she came in the door, she came in with a camera. Now, I'm taking pictures. I'm looking at the door like, now she didn't know she was coming. None of them knew she was coming. Maybe my friend knew she was coming, but her sister didn't know she was coming. She came to surprise her. She came in the door with a camera strap on, a camera on. So I'm looking like, hold up, they paid me to do this event, What she got a camera on for? So she start working the event too, taking pictures of stuff, taking pictures. And so I'm looking, and then my friend come over to me and she said, we didn't hire her, nothing. She just showed up and to surprise my sister. And so I ain't gonna lie, I was a little offended at that. Like, why y'all got somebody else here? And then she had a better camera than I did. Because at the time, I was using a Nikon D90. She was using a Nikon D7000. And most of y'all might not even know this, but the 7000 was better than the 90. So anyway, I'm taking pictures, she taking pictures, we getting the same shot. Now, the only conversation me and this woman had, I said to her, what kind of camera you got? And she said, Nikon D7000. And that's the extent of our conversation. All right, now, I'm going to fast forward to that night. Over, we're gone, we're back 2 hours away at home. I look on Facebook, all the photos, I ain't get a client's day work yet. I didn't give her, my friend, or her sister anything yet. And all the pictures are on Facebook. Everything. So before I could even give her sister the photo, her and her sister the photos, her sister contacts me and said, I want my money back. I'm like, hold up now. You want your money back? She's like, yeah, I want my money back. I forgot her reason, but trust me, it was something crazy because I didn't give you the photos for you to even not like them yet, you know? So she like, I want my money back. Told her, I'm not giving you no money back. So I gave her the photos. I can't remember how long it took for me to give her the photos, but I do know that if I see everything on Facebook, that will most likely cause me to do a rush job and hurry up and give you your stuff. So I gave her the stuff, and then after I gave her the pictures, she was still like, I want my money back. I told her, you're not getting no money back. She telling me, I'm going to get my money back. She said, I will call your pastor and first lady and tell them you was taking pictures of women butts. I said, okay, go ahead, because don't you have to have pictures to show? She said, I'll call your local newspaper and tell them you take pictures of women butts. I said, good, show them the pictures too of the butts I took. So she just kept making threats, and every time she made a threat, I told her, go ahead. I ain't gonna lie, that's the type of person I always was. Like, if you say you're gonna do, just go ahead and do it, because you're not gonna blackmail me. I'm not gonna be like, no, don't do that. Go ahead and do it, and provide proof while you're doing it. But anyway, she keep on making threats. She eventually calls my pastor's wife. Now, remember, my pastor's wife only met her one time, and that's when we went to the birthday party. Because I went to the birthday party, if you follow me, I went to the birthday party with my pastor, his wife, and another lady. The four of us went. All right, now, so she met my pastor's wife that one time. My pastor's wife knew me a long time. All right, she calls her and she games her. Now, if you meet this woman, you're going to think like, okay, she's professional, because that's how she come across. So my pastor's wife called me. She done got my pastor's wife head. I'm not even gonna lie to you. She got in her head. My pastor's wife calls me and says, Tron, won't you give her money back? This woman is professional. I was like, First Lady, you don't even know this woman. You just met this woman. See, I met this woman. My first experience, let me tell you my first experience meeting this woman. I was in Columbia, South Carolina. I was at the sister house when I was dating her. And I'm sitting in the living room on a couch. My friend, she's in the back. She doing something. I think she went to the bathroom or her bedroom or something. I'm sitting in the living room. The chair I'm sitting on is right next to now my Infiniti is parked right outside. You can't miss it. It's right in front of the door. In the driveway. I'm sitting on a couch right next to the door. The sister comes in the door, shoots past me, and goes straight to the back. Then she come back around. She said, oh, I didn't see you sitting there. I told her sister after she left, I said, she's lying. There's no way you couldn't see me sitting there. But anyway, that right there showed me some of her character anyway. So anyway, her sister along the lines, her sister was telling me how evil she is and stuff like that. So my first lady is telling me, give her money back. This woman is professional. I'm like, I'm saying this like, First Lady, you don't even know this woman. You don't even know her. You met her one time because she's dressed up. You think she's professional. She told my first lady she wanted her money back, but never told her why she wanted her money back. And that's the thing we're going to get to as well. So next thing you know, bow, I got a court date. I'm like, this chick is serious. First of all, she threatened me with telling my pastor and first lady I take pictures of women butts. No, she said she's going to tell the church. Yeah, she said she ain't saying she's gonna tell my pastor first lady. She said she's gonna tell the church. Then she threatened to tell my local newspaper, which I didn't even read. I didn't care what you told them. But anyway, now I got a court date. We show up to court. I'm there. My mother's there. My friend's there. Her sister's there. And their mother is there. All right, so she pleading her case to the court. And she telling them that, matter of fact, she's lying on the stand. She telling them that, yeah, he tried to talk to my friend who's a photographer, and she was like, I don't even want him in my face. Why he all in my face? I said, first of all, she lying, because one, I've never tried to talk to that lady. All right? And I want to say something there, but then I don't want to, because I don't want nobody to think I'm dissing a people, if you get what I'm saying. But the only thing I said to that woman, I said, what kind of camera you got? And I left her alone. She told me and I left her alone. She's telling the court the woman's photos are better than mine, which actually there was. They was better than mine. She had a better camera than I did. She had a better lens than I did. But look, let me tell you something. That has nothing to do with the fact that you hired me. Because I don't care what photographer you hire, there's still other photographers out there with better quality. But that don't mean you should get your money back because their quality is better. You saw my quality when you hired me. My quality was decent, but it just so happens that somebody else came along and they had better quality. So she telling the court this. She even got our photos, the photos I took and the photos a woman took in a book and showing the judge this, blah, blah, blah. And lying about I tried to talk to the woman, which I don't see how that helped her case. Let's say I tried to talk to the woman. I don't see how that helped her case. And I was single, by the way. Let me add that too. I was single, by the way. Never tried to talk to that woman. But anyway, let me move on. Now it's my turn. I call my witness to the stand. Who's my witness? My witness is her sister. And the part that I haven't told y'all is they are twins. They have the same face. My witness has the same face as the plaintiff. Now, I get her on the stand. The judge told me to go ahead and proceed. I said, blah, blah, blah. Can you please tell the court why your sister wants her money back? Blah, blah, blah said, my sister only wants the money back because her friend came and took the photos for free. Now, mind you, my witness, her sister, they both have the same face. They're twins. They're twins. They're twins. They have the same face. And see, what she didn't realize when she was on the stand, the sister, what she didn't realize when she was on the stand is that she actually told the judge the only reason I want my money back is because my friend took it for free. She didn't come out and say it like that. But if you have listened to the testimony she gave, that's basically what it was. I want my money back because my friend took these photos for free and had them on social media for free. So the judge says to the plaintiff, did you contact Mr. Moses yourself? She says, no. He said, well, then I can't give you the case because you didn't contact him yourself. Now, let me explain to you why the judge said that. Because when you contact the person yourself, you explain to them what you want, what you don't want. You explain the rules and things and how things should go and how things are going to be covered, what you need, what you want from them, what you desire. This is why you contact people yourself. And the judge told me, you won your case dismissed. Case was dismissed. And she had the court costs. She had to pay court costs. She realized all of this. Look, she lived far away. She had to come to my town to go to court. You did all of this for nothing. For nothing. She stormed out of the courtroom. Now, mind you, her mother rode with her. She left her mother in the courtroom. She stormed out. I said, oh no, the twins gonna be mad at each other now. But I don't want y'all to be confused about this though. My friend didn't side with me in the case because we were friends. She sided with me in the case because it was the right thing to do. She knew her sister only wanted that money back because she had got free photos. And let me be honest with you, I do understand. Come on, if I pay for something and then I wind up getting it free from somewhere else, I'm going to want my money back too. But the only thing is, I'm not going to ask for it back because me and you, there was no contract, but me and you had an agreement. And I paid you for services. I didn't pay the other person for services. So I won the case. And let me tell you, a guy in the courtroom said, I have never seen anything like this. He was blown away that the plaintiff and my witness had the same face. He was blown away by that. He was blown away by that. So let me tell you, look, we're going to sum this up. We're going to wrap this up. I just want to say, if you're going to take somebody to court, take them to court for a legitimate reason. Because she never really realized that she argued my case. She showed the book and showed our photos and told the judge, look, her photos are better. Do y'all really get what I'm saying when I tell y'all that? When I tell y'all this? She told the judge, her photos are better. But you made a commitment with me through your sister and paid me through your sister. So what? Her photos are better. You just sat there and told the judge you want your money back because she did it for free and her photos are better. She didn't have a real reason. She didn't have a reason for taking me to court. Not only did she waste my time, she should apologize to me for wasting my time. Not only did she waste my time, she wasted the judge time. She wasted the people of the court time. She wasted her own time. She wasted her mother time. Her mother could have been home doing laundry or cooking or something. And no, that's not a joke against women. But anyway, client took me to court. And I have some more photography stories that we're going to talk about in the near future. I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.